बात करते हैं ब्लू स्टार के मैनेजमेंट से। Q2 में आय 6% और मुनाफा 3% बढ़ा है। एबिटा में भी देखें तो 22% की ग्रोथ दिखी है। नतीजे और ग्रोथ आउटलुक पर बात करने के लिए हमारे साथ है कंपनी के MD बी त्यागराजन। गुड मॉर्निंग सर, शो में स्वागत है आपका। और नतीजे में देख रहा हूं, चाहे सीक्वेंशियली देखें या फिर आप पिछले साल के मुकाबले देखें, तो स्टेबल सेट ऑफ नंबर्स हैं, बढ़िया नंबर्स हैं। और इस तिमाही के दौरान अगर आप देखें तो जो कंज्यूमर कंपनीज है इसमें थोड़ा सा GST का भी लैग रहा है। क्या हाईलाइट्स नहीं सर क्वार्टर की?
Good morning, Ashish. It's a pleasure interacting with you. The highlights are basically because we are a company with B2B as well as B2C products, we managed to deliver some reasonable set of numbers. It's a modest growth. The specific problem is in the room air conditioners because rain continued, and due to GST announcement practically from August 15th till September 22nd, there was no sale. Now with the 8 days, we saw a huge growth, but that may be due to the pent-up demand. On the whole, the room air conditioner industry might have de-grown by 15% or so. We might have done better. We have gained some market share. Our de-growth is close to only 10%. The way forward is to look for a New Year season. There is any higher pickup and summer sales, which is set to begin by end of February. We have to wait and watch. One wonders whether it can make up for the shortfall that happened due to rains in or last summer season. I think we should be happy if the market of last year is achieved. But it is very likely that that is also going to be a difficult task. In other words, it's a rain interrupted match, and you have to wait for the summer season to pick up. But the good news is that if you look at CAGR, because we are comparing with last year, which was a huge year in terms of summer demand and festival demand, compared with that, we are seeing a degrowth. But if you look at a CAGR over a 5-year period, 4-year period, 3-year period, it is still above 15%. So the growth story for the category is good. So we are not concerned because we believe in the long-term story for room air conditioners. On the B2B side, manufacturing, data center, these segments are doing extremely well. Infrastructure projects are going slowly. On the whole, it was a difficult quarter and many interruptions. That's fine now, that is over. And the second half, we will see how we can further improve our results.
ऑलराइट, तो अगला जो हाफ रहेगा इस पे खास नजर रहेंगे। लेकिन सर, इससे प्रीवियस क्वार्टर्स में देखें तो इंडस्ट्री में, पूरी इंडस्ट्री में, सिर्फ ब्लू स्टार नहीं, रूम AC सेगमेंट का जिक्र आपने भी किया, इसमें डीलर लेवल पर इन्वेंट्री काफ़ी ज़्यादा थी। अब क्योंकि GST कट भी हो चुका है, वैसे तो विंटर आने वाला है, लेकिन क्या लग रहा है अगले 2 क्वार्टर्स तक इन्वेंट्री कितनी नॉर्मलाइज हो सकती है?
See, normally 45 days of inventory is a reasonable thing, but I think inventory close to around 90 days is in the market. In our case, it will be 65 days of inventory is there. Given that there is going to be energy label change, the one can say the primary sale will liquidate the inventory to a very large extent. Now, this is a tricky situation, right? That beyond 31st December, from manufacturer, these products will have to be relabeled. Yeah, 5-star currently, what we are selling will become a 3-star air conditioner. Strictly speaking, we have to manage the inventory very intelligently. So there will be one New Year sale, New Year Christmas sale for 15 days. It will help. And inventory situation is indeed alarming. That's arising out of the interruption between August 15th and September 22nd. That Diwali period saw the secondary movement, but there is excess inventory in the field.
ऑलराइट, शुक्रिया सर हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए और विस्तार से नतीजे और ग्रोथ आउटलुक पर हमारे साथ बात करने के लिए। थैंक यू सो मच सर।
Thanks.
चलिए, अब इसी के साथ वक्त हो गया एक छोटे से ब्रेक का।